What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris RZR XP1000 or XP Turbo. Now these UTV upgrade kits, they're one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your machine, all in one convenient package, and you're going to be saving some money when you buy everything all in one kit. So with these kits, they're going to help your new machine stand out, look good. You're going to be getting added protection and comfort. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in each of the kits. To start out, we're going to look at the Stage 1 kit. This is the most basic and affordable option, but it comes with the essentials and some high quality accessories. So what this comes with is the removable half windshield. This is scratch resistant. It's going to give you some protection in the front, but it still allows for some airflow into the cab to keep you cool. The second item in the kit is the alloy UTV mirror kit with A-pillar mounts. Now you've got to be able to see what's behind you, and what's nice about this is it mounts to that A-pillar. You don't have a big bulky clamp getting in the way of your half windshield. The third item in the kit is the Force aluminum roof. This is a staple item for any side-by-side, and it comes in all three kits. Now what's nice about this is it's going to provide you with some shade and protection from the weather. Now moving on to the Stage 2 kit, this keeps the Force aluminum roof, but you're going to have a different windshield. So this is the full glass windshield. It's made out of super durable laminated safety auto glass, and you're getting full coverage or full protection in the front. And with this, you also have a vent, and if things get dirty, you have a windshield wiper to clear it off. The second thing that gets upgraded is the mirrors. So these are the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts, and they're not only super durable, they're still fully adjustable inside. But the nice thing that I like about them is if you hit something with them, they're going to pop out of the way and you can fold them right back out. Now, same thing, if you need to haul this in a trailer, you can fold these in while you're transporting it and fold them back out once you have this out and are ready to ride. The last upgrade in the Stage 2 kit is the polycarb rear window. Now this is scratch resistant, it helps enclose the cab, and it's going to help keep the weather off you and your passengers. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk, and you are going to keep a couple of items from the Stage 2 upgrade kit. So those items are going to be the Force aluminum roof and the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts. Now the rest is going to get upgraded. So first up, we have the folding glass windshield. This still gives you full coverage in the front. It's made from super durable laminated safety auto glass. You've got a vent at the bottom and a windshield wiper to help clear things off. But the main benefit with the folding glass windshield is if you're ever out on a super hot day, you can simply fold this down and out of the way to allow maximum airflow into the cab. The next upgrade is the rear glass window. This gives you the protection you would expect from a rear window. It's super durable. It's made from laminated safety auto glass. So again, that's going to stay looking good for a long time. And with this being more heavy duty, it actually helps dampen engine noise inside the cab. The last upgrade in the kit is the plastic lower door inserts. Now once you've put all this other stuff on your machine for added protection, the last thing you want is sticks, debris, and mud coming in through the bottom of your door. So once you have these on, that's going to keep all that stuff out, and these look really good once they're installed. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris RZR XP1000 or XP Turbo. Now these kits are one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your machine. You're going to be saving some money when you buy everything all in one kit. Now if you haven't picked one of these kits up yet, they're available on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, and we have some great how-to videos to help you get those accessories installed. So go check those out and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.